Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your MotorGuide Xi5 remote suddenly stops responding, it can completely interrupt your control over the trolling motor, especially when you're out on the water. You might press buttons and get no reaction, or the connection may feel inconsistent and unreliable. This kind of issue is often not a serious failure, but rather a communication or power-related problem between the remote and the motor. Since the Xi5 system depends on wireless pairing and stable signals, even a small interruption like weak batteries or lost pairing can cause it to stop working. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix a MotorGuide Xi5 remote that's not working or responding. Try these. Step 1. Replace the remote batteries with fresh ones. Step 2. Turn off the trolling motor and disconnect power. Step 3. Wait briefly to allow the system to fully reset. Step 4. Turn the motor back on and repair the remote. Step 5. Ensure you are within proper range of the motor. Step 6. Test all remote functions to confirm it responds correctly.